Hey everyone, welcome to another Savvi tutorial. My name is Gavin and today we're going to be giving you a broad overview of the Savvi platform. A lot of this will be information that you've probably already covered with someone on our onboarding team, and this will be supplemental information to assist you as you navigate this new platform. From this view, this is what we call the portfolio view. I'm going to be able to view all of the companies associated with my account, and I'll also have the ability to add a new company. By adding a new company, all I need to do is enter the company name and then select what kind of entity it's going to be. The majority of you will be here for for-profit companies. Some of you might be here to create SPVs or RUVs, which you would do so by selecting investment vehicle. Or if some of you are providers offering these services to your clientele, you would simply click legal or accounting provider. Once I've selected which company I'd like to start working with, it'll automatically take me to the dashboard view, which will be a home page. The first thing you'll see is any documents requiring action, which will be any documents that are still missing signature. You'll be able to see who's reviewed the document, who's already signed it, and you'll also be able to easily resend the email or copy the link and send it to the person that needs to sign it in a more personal way. If I scroll down, I'll see any to-dos. These will be automatically given to me by the system, or I can manually add these myself. You can see that if I have multiple people associated with one account, you'll be able to delegate different tasks out to different people and also assign them different levels of urgency. The last thing you'll see is any open task, which is simply a project or a legal document that you've begun to generate, but you're still missing some information and are waiting to complete it. If I click over to workflows, I'll be able to view the automated process that Savvi has in place in order for me to complete different legal tasks. You'll be able to categorize or filter them out by clicking one of these filters above. You'll notice that a lot of these workflows have a Learn More tab, and by clicking that, you'll be able to access Savvi's knowledge base in order to learn more about said workflow. As you're scrolling through these workflows, you'll notice a lot of them that you might be needing, such as entity setup, onboarding employees, authorizing and executing convertible financing, sending out NDAs, and a lot of our popular workflows also have videos associated with them if you'd like more help. You'll see the links in the description below. If I click reports, I'll be able to see all of the data and information that Savvi's collected about my company. It'll be easy for me to filter out different information, and it'll also be easy for me to access different documents that prove the information there. This is what we'd like to call a corporate record, or your source of truth for your company. This will be useful information not only for you to view, but also anyone who has access to your profile, attorneys, or investors as well. One of the last things I'll mention is this file cabinet here on the left-hand side. This is going to be your document repository for anything that you're generating on Savvi. What's nice is that Savvi will automatically be organizing these documents for you, in that it's completely customizable. By clicking this plus, you'll be able to upload any existing documents you have on your server, or rename folders or create new folders. You'll also notice that within this file cabinet is this template folder. One of the workflows that you'll have access to is getting access to all of our templates. And by accessing our template library, you'll be able to take some of these templates to your attorneys in order to get them customized at a reduced rate rather than having to start from scratch. If you're interested in learning more about how to customize some of Savvi's templates in order to fit your company's unique needs, click the link in the description below. The last thing I'll mention on this video is this account section. This will allow you to edit your profile, update your subscriptions, reset your password, input a new billing method, view different invoices, and also see which users have access to your account. Thanks again for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email, or if you'd like an additional demo or more instruction, get on our calendar link below. Also, don't forget to check out some of our other videos as you get to know the Savvi platform even better.